Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look at the charts. The SPX is barely doing anything. Well, it is testing the highs again. Looks pretty good actually. I had this short play. Well, I wasn't playing it, but I had it set up. I look at SPX to take a look at Bitcoin, since Bitcoin was following it very accurately lately, but it seems disconnected. So, taking a look at Bitcoin, we had this massive run up, and over here we are grinding up. And if you're in a 50x long, they will stop you out over here, and then we grind up again, we pump, and they will stop you out of your 50x and keep going up. And that's what I expect to keep happening. They will not let you get to an all-time high with 50x. They will stop you out in small wicks. This was a $200 move, a bit more, over here as well, and they will just wick you out of it. But I keep bullish, I stay bullish. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's go to the daily. Of course, we had this master pump over here, and I was wrong over here. I was expecting downside, we didn't get it. It became a pump. And make sure to change your bias in time, otherwise you'll end up wrecked, as they call it. And luckily I did. And I am very much bullish now. I am very much bullish. A lot of people are still expecting a retest of this level, which is almost too obvious for me. They tried it yesterday and it got front ran, and that is what will happen now. You think it will make a retest, but too many people expect a retest, so there are a lot of bits over here, and they buy it before you do. And that is what will keep happening nowadays. Of course, if too many people are long, you can expect wicks like these. Very, very scary wicks. You could say it's a CME gap close that it was, or they just wanted to get a sweet entry, or somebody wanted to exit his short, or too many people longed and they were too easy to hunt. So they scoop up all this liquidity, all those stops, everybody wicking out of their stop, and then they keep moving up again. So those are things we have to keep in mind now. We have a slight gap at 9.6k, but I just expect something like this. We saw it over here last bull run, like a year ago, something like this. Everybody shorting over here, expecting a retest, didn't get it, and I expect the same to happen now. This will be an epic bull run. Just think about leverage. These are the next targets, around 12k. Just above, 13, and so on. That is what I expect, these levels. It can keep running quick or slow and grind and retesting support, but for now I expect a 1k move again. Of course, on a higher time frame, the first level to break now is 11.5, and yeah, we'll keep running, I expect. We will keep running on a lower time frame. We had this one running, let's see, this one pretty clean. We will do it on hourly closes, something like this. We're still in it kinda, and like I said, they will wick you out of your trade. Just be careful with leverage now. If you want to trade with leverage, use one of these sign up links. You get discounts, you help my YouTube channel, and you can always ask me a question for help or a trade setup. You can reach me through my inbox or send me a message on YouTube, and we make sure we get in contact. That's totally fine, and I enjoy it. So these are the levels to watch for Bitcoin. I'm expecting a cruel like some cruel time for bears, because this is the bull market to me. A lot of people are still in disbelief. I was bearish over here. but we didn't get it. We pumped through resistances, and yeah, that left us 2k higher than a few days ago. Taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is almost ready for a move again. We'll zoom out a little bit. And we are seeing some nice things forming over here. You see this one. And we are seeing, oh wait, I am seeing this one. And it will probably first go, of course, to, wait a second, this one. It's 350. If you zoom out a little bit more, this is the level they need to crack, 360. And this is support right now. That's around 290. I expect more upside for Ethereum. I expect it to touch first 360 before 290. But of course, I make mistakes sometimes, and make sure you put your stops in place. I do not like people coming back to me, but you told me. No, I didn't tell you. I'm just showing you what I trade. So yeah, this is a bullish setup for me. I expect a break to the range high and then to 360. Ethereum BTC is looking a bit bad on the lower time frame. It should bounce off of here. And yeah, it made kind of a double top over here. On high time frame, it still looks good, but this level needs to hold. You could see it as they tested resistance over here. Maybe need to come back down to test support, but it should really hold this level since they're on support. And of course, it came down hard because Bitcoin just moved up 2k. That's like a 20% gain in a couple of days. So even more. So yeah, alts will not follow that hard. They will pump when Bitcoin goes sideways again. We still, the premiums on the futures are still okay, not that high. Annualized maybe a 10%, 12%, so that is not that high. It can go up to 20%. And yeah, as long as people keep shorting, we will keep going up, and it will be an epic short squeeze. Also, you want to see what Coinbase is doing. If Coinbase has higher prices than other exchanges, because that will be really bullish, and that means new money is coming into crypto. Like I said, if you want to help me and help yourself getting nice discounts on trading fees, use one of these sign up links. If you have an account already, change it, go on, sign up again under these ones, because you help yourself getting nice discounts, even sign up bonuses. So yeah, and for Bitcoin now, I expect the next move to go to at least 12k. 12.8 is what I'm expecting, but it could stop earlier. It just depends on how many people are shorting it and keep fueling it higher. But for me, 12.8 is my target. And yeah, like I said, be careful with 50x leverage, for example, because they will stop you out. They will not let you go to an all-time high with 50 times leverage. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.